Dreaming your own loft with budget-friendly payments? Kaya yan sa Modern Loft Ortigas. Located along Ortigas Avenue Extension near Taytay Rotonda Monument. Here, you get modern living with a built-in loft design, giving you more space and style without breaking a bank. Enjoy smart and functional features like open layout with high ceilings, space-efficient kitchen with modern finishes, well-designed bathroom with quality fixtures, big windows for natural light and ventilation. And the best part, units start at a much lighter monthly payment, as low as 12,000 per month, 2028 Q4 turnover. So you can finally own a condo without the heavy cost. Message me now if you want to know more. Your dream loft sa Modern Loft Ortigas, kaya yan!